Hey braid babes, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I absolutely tucked my girl's hair and changed it from blonde to pink. So I'm starting off with a foundational part. So I'm going directly down the middle of the head and from ear to ear across the nape. And I do this for all of my clients, no matter the size, the style. It just gives me a good foundation to start with so that all my parts come out neat and symmetrical. So I'm doing 4 boxes in the first row, the very bottom toward the nape of the neck. And I'm doing this by starting off in the middle and just creating 2 boxes on each side. So for the hair, I'm using Outre's Xpression's Prestretched braid in 52 inches, and I'm using one of their newest colors. It's 2T1B/shocking pink. For the size of the piece of the hair that I'm using, it's a bit larger than what I would normally use for my knotless braids because I'm going for a pretty medium to large-ish size braid. So let's get to tucking. I get this question a lot about how I hide natural hair color underneath the color of the braids. And the answer is simple. You're just going to want to do everything you can to hide that natural hair color. So by that, I mean while you're braiding, you want to make sure that you're placing the client's actual hair behind the braiding hair so that the color is not showing. You're going to see exactly what I mean if you're a visual learner in just a second. So right here is where I'm placing the braiding hair on top of her hair color, and that's going to push her hair color toward the back and the braiding hair color toward the front. The goal is to hide the color. Now this extra step does take longer than just adding in braiding hair and not really caring about whether you're hiding the color or not because the braiding hair is the same color as your client's hair. But I definitely think it's worth it at the end of the day when you're able to transform your client's hair from one color to another color just with braids. No chemicals, no bleach, no anything, just braiding hair. So I'm going to go ahead and do that technique all the way down the length of the braid. And I'm also using my braiding gel and my comb to make sure that her actual hair is smoothed out and is in one solid section in the braid. You don't really want her actual hair to start blending in with the braiding hair because then it's harder to hide the color. But once I finish with the length of her hair, I can start to braid like normal again all the way down to the end. If you're interested in learning how to do a knotless braid from start to finish with full detailed parting charts included, check out my Knotless 101 course and become a student today, okay? This course includes everything that you need to learn how to do a full set of knotless braids. So you can do it on your friends, on your clients, on your children, anybody who you can think of that needs braids, you'll be able to do it. Let's talk about this hair for a second. I absolutely love the color of this hair. It's giving pink, but not like too in your face pink, but just subtle enough so that it looks super cute. And honestly, if I didn't do this style on my client, I would have done it on myself, and I probably actually will. A lot of people are afraid of getting colored braids, or they're not able to because of their job. But honestly, if you're able to change your hair color and you have the opportunity to do it with braids, I think you should go for it. I don't think anybody looks crazy, dumb, stupid, ugly, nothing with colored braids. I really think it's a bold statement look, especially in the summer or during like a special event like your birthday, you know, something like that. It really is a pop of color and really allows you to express yourself. And I really think Outre's new colors really did just that. They also had like a mint green, like a yellow, I think like a blue, and these colors are really out there. It's a statement, okay? So this is the finished look, y'all. I think she looks absolutely gorgeous with this shocking pink color, and I think everybody needs to try this color immediately. That's just my opinion. If you like this video, or if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. Okay, your girl is almost at 100K, and that's absolutely crazy to me. And I think I get a plaque at 100K, and it is all thanks to you guys. So hit the subscribe button and leave any comments or questions down below, and I'll try to answer them. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time.